Y'all want to know what get Mia's wheels turning? She can't stand these firecrackers. If you know, you know. These are adult firecrackers. You know I'm childish as fuck. Oh, by the way, I'm going to get fireworks tomorrow for the 4th of July. I mean, fuck, New Year's. Yeah, I'm shooting fireworks for New Year's. Get over here, Prince. Watch this, though. Watch her try to fight it. All right, you're not using up all my firecrackers. It's going up. Oh, shit, it didn't pop. Hold on. It's like gunpowder. Did you get it?